One way to evaluate logarithms is to change a log form equation to an exponential form, or by changing an exponential form to a log form. Let's see how we can do that. Log base b of y equals x. This means base b to the power of x equals y. Base b to the power of x equals y. The same thing works if we want to change something from exponential form to log form. Log base b of y equals x. Log base b of y equals x. Here it is if you need to write it down. Let's see how we can use this to evaluate logarithms. In the first example, I have log base 2 of 8 equals 3. 2 to the power of 3 equals 8. 2 to the power of 3 equals 8. Let's do it for the next one. 4 to the power of 0 equals 1. 4 to the power of 0 is 1. 12 to the power of 1 is 12. 12 to the power of 1 is 12. Okay, now let's use this. Here are some steps if you need to stop the video and write these down. First thing we're going to do is set the log form equal to x, and then change it to exponential form. 3 to the power of x equals 81. 3 to the power of x equals 81. Well, let's express that 81 with a base of 3. This side is 3 to the power of x. 81 is 3 to the power of 4. If 3 to the power of x is equal to 3 to the power of 4, then x equals 4. You try it on example 6. How'd you do? Let's try some more. What if we have log base 64 of 2 and we want to evaluate this? We're going to set it equal to x, change it to exponential form. 64 to the power of x equals 2. 64 to the power of x equals 2. Let's express 64 with a base of 2. 64 is 2 to the power of 6. We still have our x there, and 2 to the power of 1. So now we can mark out our bases and just solve for the equation in the exponents. 6x equals 1, therefore x equals 1 over 6. So our answer to log base 64 of 2, the answer is 1/6. See if you can do example 8 by yourself.